Hello friend, welcome to Study Way Technologies, and in our today's session we are going to start a special series for those students who are planning to take admission in class 11. Now we are covering a couple of formulas over here which are equally useful for the students whether they are taking admission in PCM stream or they are taking admission in PCB stream, because they are supposed to study physics, and for this we need a set of formulas which are actually the part of mathematics as well. Okay, so I'm just covering a couple of formulas and all of you are supposed to memorize the same as soon as possible. Okay, so in this series I'm covering a few details related to the differentiation, a few formulas actually related to the differentiation. Okay, so the first one that is related to the function, let's say this is fx, that is a function in terms of x, and that is given as x to the power n, where n can be 1, 2, 3, or anything like that, x square, x cube, x to the power 4, or anything like that. Fine. We can also write that y, instead of fx we can write y equals to x to the power n. So now here comes the first formula, that is differentiation of y with respect to x, that is written as dy by dx, and that's equals to nx to the power n minus 1. In our later series we will cover some more details on this, like along with the examples also, but for this time you are supposed to just learn that this if y equals to x to the power n, then dy by dx will be equals to nx into nx to the power n minus 1. Okay, now next one is, let's say y is some constant, and let's say this constant is represented by c. So in that case dy by dx, this will be equal to 0. Alright, now let's say we have a product of function, here y equals to u into v. These are the two different functions. Okay, so in that case this dy by dx, this will be equals to u times of dv by dx plus v times of du by dx. Alright, next one. Now let's say we have a function of division over here. Let's say y equals to u upon v. In that case dy by dx, that will be equal to v times of du upon dx. Remember that you are not at all supposed to change any orientation over here, minus u times of dv by dx whole upon v square. Alright, now we are going to deal with a couple of trigonometric functions. Let's say y equals to sin x and cos x and then tan x and like that. So I'm just writing the formulas over here, like d by dx of sin x. You can also pronounce it as d dx of sin x. Yeah, d dx sin x, whatever it is, sin x. This will be equal to cos x. Alright. In the same manner, d by dx of cos x, this will be equal to minus sin x. Alright. Then d by dx of tan x, this will be equal to sec square x. After that, d by dx of cot x, this will be equal to minus cosec square x. Alright. After that, d by dx of sec x, this will be equal to tan x into sec x. Fine. Then d by dx of cosec x, and this will be equal to minus cot x into cosec x. Alright. Now similarly, we have inverse trigonometric functions also. This is d by dx of sin inverse x, this is represented as sin inverse x. Okay, this will be equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Alright. Then d by dx of cos inverse x, this will be equal to minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Alright. After that, d by dx of tan x tan inverse x, and that will be equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, x square. Alright. In the same way, d by dx of cot inverse x, this will be equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Then d by dx of sec square x, sec inverse x, and this will be equal to 1 upon x into under root x square minus 1. Then d by dx of cosec inverse x, this is equal to minus 1 upon x into under root x square minus 1. These formulas are very generally used in physics during the derivation. So all of you are supposed to memorize these formulas before start attending the classes for physics in case of class 11th. Okay. In our later series we will cover up about the integration also. Alright. So just go ahead, memorize this, and let me know in case of any further issue. Till then, have a nice time and take a very good care of yourself. Bye bye.